Imagine this. Your SIEM dashboard is silent. No critical alert, no malware detection, no ransomware warning, no firewall block. Everything looks normal. But inside the network, an attacker is already active. They are not creating noise, they are not triggering thousands of failed logins, they are not dropping obvious malware. They are moving carefully. First they collect information, then they prepare infrastructure, then they send a phishing email, then they get initial access, then they execute commands, then they maintain persistence, then they try to increase privileges, then they hide their activity, then they weaken your security visibility, then they steal credentials, then they perform discovery, then they move laterally, then they collect sensitive data, then they connect to command and control, then they exfiltrate data, and finally they create impact. This is not random activity, this is attacker behavior. And this behavior is exactly what MITRE ATTACK helps us understand. In today's session, we are going to learn how SOC Analysts can use MITRE ATT&CK for threat hunting. Because real threat hunting is about hunting attacker behavior. Namaste everyone, my name is Vikram Saini and you are watching VikCyberWatch. Welcome to session 5 of our threat hunting course. In the previous sessions, we learned what threat hunting is and how alert monitoring is different from threat hunting. We also learned how to think like a threat hunter and how to create a hunting hypothesis. Now we will connect all of that with one of the most important frameworks in cybersecurity, MITRE ATT&CK. But before we start, one important update. MITRE ATT&CK has changed. Earlier, we had 14 tactics, but in the updated version, MITRE has split defense evasion into 2 tactics, stealth and defense impairment. Stealth helps attackers blend in, while defense impairment degrades security controls. Hiding and breaking are not the same thing. So today's session is fully updated. Let us start simple. MITRE ATT&CK is a knowledge base of attacker behavior. It helps us understand how real attackers operate. It does not only tell us which malware was used, it tells us what the attacker was trying to do. For example, were they trying to get in? That is initial access. Was the attacker trying to run commands? That is execution. Was the attacker trying to stay inside the system? That is persistence. Was the attacker trying to steal passwords? That is credential access. Trying to understand the environment? That is discovery. Moving machine to machine? That is lateral movement. This is why MITRE ATTACK is powerful. It gives us a map. And as threat hunters, we use that map to search for hidden activity. A beginner SOC analyst asks, which alert came? But a threat hunter asks, which attacker behavior could be happening silently? That is the difference.